Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all really well and had an amazing new year. So for today's video I'm going to be showing you 4 different ways you can style up a Baker Boy cap. You probably see I wear this all the friggin' time. It's winter, so whenever I go out I absolutely love wearing a hat. It just keeps me warm, keeps my hair from blowing around. And yeah, these are so on trend at the moment, so I thought it'd be a really cool way to show you guys how you can style up your hair differently when you wear it rather than just leaving your hair down. So let's get straight into the video. Those are the 4 hairstyles. I really hope you enjoyed watching this hairstyle tutorial. All of the hairstyles were super easy to create, really quick to do. So if you're running late for work or you're having a bit of a lazy day like me, especially if I've got greasy hair, then I'll pop on a hat and then quickly do a little updo or something and then I'm ready to go. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.